Starting around the 1st of May 2023, HEX fundamentally is exchanging at 4 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.95% in most recent 60 minutes, which is very critical. HEX explicitly has a kind of complete market cap of $8,443,080,888 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,625,083 and in every practical sense, significant way. This generally makes HEX especially positioning at 202 in the cryptographic money market. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the HEX cost forecast finish of 2023, what will HEX fundamentally be somewhat worth in 2023, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking? Is HEX an especially wise venture or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023, or so they certainly thought? Will HEX value sort of outperform its unsurpassed kind of high in a fundamentally huge manner? These especially are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future, which truly is genuinely huge. HEX value expectation 2023, which generally is genuinely huge. As per the HEX estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the HEX cost basically is supposed to really cross a sort of normal value level of 6 cents. The normal sort of least value worth of HEX toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to in a real sense be 6 cents, which generally is genuinely huge. Besides, HEX can generally arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of 7 cents. All things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking, HEX value estimate April 2023 the by and large normal cost of HEX could really go to 5 cents toward the finish of April 2023, which most certainly is genuinely huge. HEX could especially be exchanging around a most extreme worth of 5 cents with the base expected cost of 5 cents in an essentially significant manner. HEX value expectation May 2023. Concerning May 2023, HEX cost by and large is figured to especially arrive at an in every way that really matters, least cost of 5 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. The HEX cost could arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of 6 cents with the essentially normal expected cost around 5 cents, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. HEX value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023. HEX cost by and large is estimate to basically arrive at a sort of the least cost of 5 cents. Certainly further appearance how HEX could for the most part be exchanging around a really greatest worth of 5 cents with the base expected cost of 5 cents in a by and large huge manner. The HEX cost could really arrive at an especially most extreme cost of 6 cents with the typical expected cost around 5 cents in a significant manner. HEX value expectation July 2023. The cost of HEX sort of is especially anticipated to truly reach at a kind of least worth of 5 cents in July 2023 and in every way that really matters, large way. The HEX cost could basically arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of 6 cents with the really normal exchanging worth of 5 cents all through 2023. HEX value expectation August 2023. HEX value sort of is supposed to explicitly reach between 5 cents to 6 cents in August 2023 while the essentially normal cost of HEX for the August really remains around 6 cents. HEX value expectation September 2023. The cost for HEX in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 6 cents and 7 cents. For the most part further appearance how HEX value forecast May 2023. Concerning May 2023. HEX cost in a real sense is gauged to sort of arrive at an in every practical sense, least cost of 5 cents, which by and large is genuinely huge, while the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around 6 cents, or so they sort of thought. HEX value expectation October 2023. HEX cost especially is supposed to by and large reach between 6 cents to 7 cents in October 2023 while the very normal cost of HEX for the October basically remains around 6 cents. HEX value forecast November 2023. HEX cost for the most part is supposed to generally reach between 6 cents to 7 cents in November 2023 while the fundamentally normal cost of HEX for the November basically remains around 6 cents. HEX value expectation December 2023. The cost of HEX certainly is explicitly anticipated to in every practical sense reach at a genuinely least worth of 6 cents in December. HEX certainly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto essentially has been generally diminished by 6.78% in its genuinely current worth in a genuinely enormous manner. Assuming we by and large look at the ongoing business sector cap of the HEX with yesterday, you can generally see that the market cap really is likewise down in a fundamentally significant manner. HEX in a real sense is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The HEX in a real sense is down to nearly 15.52% in the especially most recent 7 days, which basically is genuinely critical. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for commonly past lovely few days. The coin could essentially have serious areas of strength for of at the same time, We don't fundamentally imagine that it would a beneficial resource and transient amazingly. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of HEX diminished by 44.286%, taking out an astounding in every practical sense, normal amount of 3 cents from its truly current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a very decent explicitly purchase and open door for truly speedy speculation. Or so they sort of thought. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is around 56.72%, and the cost commonly flowed from a truly least sort of typical cost of 2 cents to extremely greatest kind of normal cost of 2 cents in the sort of beyond 90 day, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. In absolute most recent 4 months, HEX in every practical sense has shown a developing pattern, or so they generally thought. In this manner, we in every practical sense believe that comparative pieces of the market most certainly were very famous at that period in an extremely huge manner. As per the scarcely the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of HEX by and large is expanded from 4 months, which for the most part is very critical. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost. The coin truly is up by 47.56%, with the especially greatest pretty typical cost of the coin was around 3 cents and the really least genuinely normal cost of truly was around 2 cents and fundamentally beyond 4 months in a significant way. HEX Value Conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will fundamentally be HEX worth in 2023? The HEX cost especially is determined to generally arrive at an essentially most extreme degree of 7 cents with really least cost of 6 cents toward the finish of 2023 in an unpretentious manner. HEXs fundamentally have a future, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. As far as cost, HEX generally has an exceptional in every practical sense potential to really arrive at new levels, or so they for the most part thought. Figure HEX will increment in esteem in a huge way, as indicated by truly unambiguous specialists and business investigators. HEX can explicitly raise a ruckus around town, much the most exorbitant cost of 36 cents till 2030. So HEX could truly be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of 5 cents with the kind of least expected cost of 5 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. Is HEX genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, which really is very critical? HEX's worth basically is supposed to basically keep on growing, as deficiency will in general explicitly energize cost rise. Fundamentally further appearance how the 90 days cost change in a real sense is around 56.72%. And the cost flowed from a truly least by and large normal cost of 2 cents to sort of greatest really normal cost of 2 cents in the essentially beyond 90 days, which truly is very critical. Kindly note, there generally is a gamble to any interest incredibly. Just for the most part put resources into what you can truly achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the by and large greatest examination really conceivable in a sort of enormous manner.